Jufka Patrol at 1001 Nights. We're continuing our hunt for the best Jufka in Slovenia. And today, we're in Jesenice. The price here is €6, and they offer a lot of filling options, which is great, but I went with the classic one. As for the toppings, it's the usual standard everywhere. But pay attention to this detail.
May I have your attention, please?
And here it is, the Jufka. First time I've ever seen it wrapped like this. Medium size, looks fine. But the taste? That's where this little detail comes in. They use this specific batch of meat, and you can really taste that it's been sitting for a while. It completely ruined the flavor. Dear chefs,
Goodbye.
please, turn off the grill. Better a bit overcooked than this. The problem with most Jufkas is inconsistency. The taste is never the same. I rate based on the moment I try it. Come back half an hour later, and you might get something completely different. So, the place that everyone recommended to me gets a 5.
What a twist!
That's all, folks.